dear students, welcome back to English class. Students, today I will teach you chapter number 3 in grammar, types of clauses. Some parts of this chapter I have solved. I have told you that you have learned that there are two types of clauses, main clause and subordinate clause. Kinds of subordinate clause, एक मेन क्लास होती है सेंटेंस में, एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास होती है. मेन क्लास को हम इंडिपेंडेंट क्लास भी कहते हैं और सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास को डिपेंडेंट क्लास भी कहते हैं. नाउ काइंड्स ऑफ सबऑर्डिनेट क्लासेस. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास के टाइप काइंड कितने हैं? सबऑर्डिनेट क्लासेस आर ऑफ थ्री डिफरेंट काइंड्स: नाउन क्लासेस, एडजेक्टिवल और रिलेटिव क्लासेस एंड एडवर्बियल क्लासेस. इन पर डिपेंडेबल एक्सरसाइज थी आपकी पॉइंट ए. दिस एक्सरसाइज I have solved and sent through video. Now we will discuss about joining sentences with noun clauses. Joining sentences with noun clauses, when we join two simple sentences. जब हम दो सिंपल सेंटेंस को कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस के रूप में जोड़ते हैं, ज्वाइन करते हैं, तो we use one of the sentence as the main clause and the other sentence as the subordinate clause. Main clause means independent clause and subordinate clause means dependent clause. The subordinate clause may be a noun clause. Subordinate clause noun clause भी हो सकती है if it functions as the subject or object of the वर्ब. अगर इसका जो वर्क है, इसका फंक्शन है, वो सब्जेक्ट या वर्ब की तरह से हो. एग्जाम्पल: अ गुड एजुकेशन इज द बेस्ट. अ गुड एजुकेशन, गुड एजुकेशन इज द best road to success. Road to success. My parents have always believed this. These are two sentences, separate sentence. We will join. My parents have always believed. My parents have always believed that a good education is the best road to success. Is the best road to success. Like this, we can join these two sentences. In this example, The class that a good education is the best road to success acts as the object of the verb believe. तो ये जो है ये क्लास ये ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब ये ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब के रूप में वर्क करती है। इसका ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में यहां मानी जा रही है एंड इज देयरफॉर अ नाउन क्लास। इसलिए ये क्या है? नाउन क्लास है। Like this, second example, example number 2. He cheated the firm. He cheated the firm. He cheated the firm. That is public knowledge. That is public knowledge. Public knowledge. that को हम यहां पर यूज करेंगे that he cheated the firm is public knowledge. Public knowledge. In this example, the class that he cheated firm act as the subject of a verb. ये एक सब्जेक्ट के रूप में वर्क करती है। ये as the subject of the verb is and is therefore a noun class. और इसलिए ये जो है हमारी नाउन क्लास कहलाएगी। हम इसको नाउन क्लास कह सकते हैं। नाउ वी विल सॉल्व द एक्सरसाइज। Exercise B. Join each pair of sentences. Join each pair of sentences using a noun class. Make other necessary changes. Make other necessary changes. Sentence number 1. We did not lie to the police that rumor is baseless. We can write, it is baseless rumor. It is baseless rumor. Baseless rumor that we lied to the police. That we lied to the foolish. And second sentence, he is lying to you. I am sure. I am sure that he is lying to you. I am sure that he is lying to you. He is lying to you. Like this we can change in complex sentence. And third sentence, she still holds on to the belief he isn't dead. She still holds on to the belief that he isn't dead. Like this we can write. Sentence number 4. Some people are coming to the meeting. कुछ लोग मीटिंग में आ रहे हैं. I don't know how many. ज्वाइन करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I don't know, मैं नहीं जानता. How many, कितने लोग, यानी how many people, कितने लोग are coming to the meeting, मीटिंग में आ रहे हैं. Like this, sentence number 5. You are going with him. I pursue that. I pursue that you are going with him. You are going with him. Sentence number 6. She hasn't made a complaint. We must be grateful for that. She hasn't made a complaint. उसने कोई शिकायत नहीं की. We must be grateful for that. हमें उसके लिए grateful रहना चाहिए, grateful होना चाहिए. तो first of all we will write, we must be grateful. We must be grateful. We must be grateful that she hasn't made. That she hasn't made a complaint. Hasn't made a complaint. Like this we can change. Sentence number 7. Tanya's coming around tonight. Have you forgotten? We will write, have you forgotten that? Have you forgotten that? Have you forgotten that? Tanya's coming around. Tanya's coming. Tanya's coming around 9. Tanya's coming around to 9. Tanya's coming around to 9. Sentence number 8. She may have passed her exams. I don't know. I don't know that. I don't know. We will not use here that. We will use here if. I don't know. I don't know if she has passed her exams. She has passed exams. Sentence number 9. He didn't tell her the truth. She is very angry about that. She is very angry about that. She is very angry about that. नहीं लिखेंगे हम और नोट करेंगे. She is very angry. She is very angry that he did not tell her the truth. He didn't tell her the truth. Tell her the truth. Sentence number 10. She may be good enough for the job. It remains doubtful that she may be good enough. That she may be good enough for the job. For the job remains doubtful. Like this we can solve the exercise, dear students. You will note this exercise in your notebook. Next exercise I will solve in the next period. Okay student, all the best.